Afternoon. So we are in this farm. I'm Jackson Chalo, an extension officer, here with my friend Benjamin Mougo, also an extension officer. And we have come here to know about the plantation of eggplant. How are you, Mr. Benjamin?
Yes, I'm fine. My name is Benjamin Mogo. Today we are in my shamba. You can just have a view. We are just going to have an interview on how I've just been doing with my fellow extension officer. So, Mr. Jackson, you can just move forward.
My first question goes, how did you start this plantation of eggplant?
Firstly, nilikuwa nafanya kazi Nairobi. Then it came to my mind, nikafikiria this job is not paying in Nairobi and the challenges of the jobs in Nairobi. So niliplan, nikaona nikikuja huku kwetu nyumbani naweza fanya farming, na it came to my attention, nikaanza farming. And my first thing, that is 2020, ndio nilianza farming of eggplants na all vegetables in my farm. Yeah.
First, I want to know how was the cost of starting the eggplant plantation.
Yeah, this shamba is for my dad. Hii ni ya mzee. Wakati nilikuja nikamwambia nataka kufanya farming, aliniambia naweza fanya farming na akanipea, he just gave me free, nikaanza. Then after I did it, nikakuwa nikifanya every farming every season, nikifanya season ya eggplant na other vegetables, namwekea just 15,000 just to lease the shamba, just say thank you.
So na management ya hiyo shamba sasa ulikuwa unaimanage aje?
Personally nimekuambia nilitokaga Nairobi nikakuja huku home kufanya investment. So I'm the one who does the management of the shamba. I'm always available at my shamba. Hii ndo kazi yenye nafanya daily. This is my job. In fact, this is what made me to resign from the Nairobi job, nikuje kufanya farming.
Sasa nataka nijue like unatumianga nini, like fertilizer, kazi, hizo inputs sasa ndio eggplant zikue sawa?
The labor that I usually use, personally nafanya labor yangu, and sometimes when the labor becomes too much like weeding, I usually natafuta mfanyikazi kama mmoja, like anakuja ananisaidia kulima, anapiga madawa, and then things do well.
I want to know the market of this eggplant. Where do you market your eggplant?
Eggplant is one of the vegetables with high good market. In fact, we usually export. Tunafanya export ya eggplant. Tunauza outside Kenya. Once you look at the area, this Mwala is a place that is much dry, and so vegetables and the market of eggplant has been much increasingly. Nikianza ilikuwa na shida, but like now imekuwa much profitable. Market sasa haina shida. Eggplant iko na market kwa soko. In fact, the neighboring people, like we are surrounding a college, imekuwa na demand. Unapata comrade wanakuja wananunua. Each eggplant goes for 20 bob. So every eggplant inaenda na 20 bob. And once you look at my shamba, it can make over 20,000 eggplants. So there's much profit. So that is the market now. And I also do export.
So and in the future, sasa unaona unaenda wapi? Unaelekea wapi sasa in the future?
In the future, in future I admire to expand myself. In fact, nimekuambia I'm an extension officer. I need to expand myself to see myself a bigger person in agriculture, to increase this shamba, to make it much profitable, and to make sure that I can do the market of eggplant all over the Ukambani area. I supply eggplant and other vegetables. So that is what I expect in my coming years.
And what is the market cost of the eggplant now? Inauzwa aje huko kwa soko?
Kwa soko wanauziwa na 30. And just because I'm here and naifanya I'm the farmer, mkulima akikuja kwangu namfanyia na 20 bob rather than the 30 bob that is sold in the market.
And maybe mashida gani, challenges zenye umepata katika hii kupanda eggplant?
The problem that we usually suffer, in fact, you can just have a view. I usually use a borehole water. Sometimes inaleta shida, so unapata borehole imeharibika, na that becomes a challenge. And to repair the borehole, inahitaji like 200,000, 120,000 to repair the borehole. That has been a challenge because once you look in our place, the rains are not that much. So challenge of water supply. And the other challenge is the mambo na pests. Sometimes pests try to invade my shamba, though I usually use the technique that I've gained through because I'm still a profession. I'm not I'm just a farmer. I'm also a profession, so I usually handle that challenge.
Okay, thank you. Na ningetaka kujua like hizi eggplant. Which variety umepanda type gani ya eggplant hapa?
This is an African. When we talk about eggplant, you find that the eggplant has not much varieties. In fact, I bought the bag from similar seeds, nikakuja nikapanda, and in fact they usually do good. I've tried them for several years, and in fact they have a good returns. And I usually understand that the climate and the issue, I'm very sure that eggplant will still be a good business in our place.
Okay, so lastly, nataka nijue inameanga kwa soil type gani? What are the soil content to grow this eggplant?
Eggplant needs a soil of pH of pre-harvest interval of 7, that is neutral, 5 to 5 or 6 to 5 to do the eggplant farming. It's a soil. I usually do sampling myself. I do sampling because already I have a diploma in soil management.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Benjamin. So your interview was fine.